Sorry, there's something in my eye. Okay, I think I'm good. What was I saying? Hey guys, my name is Ritty and this is RityDIY, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made a beautiful tray for my living room out of a $5 Goodwill find. If you're returning to my channel, then welcome back, and if you are new here, definitely hit subscribe so you can see the videos that I post in the future. And leave me comments. Tell me things you liked about the video. Tell me things you want to see more of in my videos. Tell me how I could have done this better, because honestly all of my projects so far are like me just winging it and hoping that it turns out okay, and they pretty much have turned out okay. I think they all could have been slightly better if I was more skilled and all of that. So if you have tips, pointers, productive criticism, then definitely leave it below in the comments. And speaking of thrifted, I bought a lot of stuff at Goodwill, so if y'all would like to see a Goodwill haul, thrifting haul, definitely tell me below. I have literally everything I bought sitting in the corner waiting to do future videos, so if y'all want to see just like a haul video, not just a DIY, then let me know. But yeah, I bought this for $5 at Goodwill, and I'm mad that I spent that much on it because as soon as I brought it home, the bottom fell out of it. That was cool, but luckily it didn't matter. I was going to redo it anyways. I knew it was a little loose, so I figured I would have to fix it up. I really wanted it to match the wood from my last DIY, this giant flower wall. So I used the same stain as this, which was the Jacobine. I got that from Lowe's. Super easy, super affordable. I know the stain is kind of expensive, but I believe you can get like really small cans. So if that's something that you just want for like 1 or 2 projects, that's a good idea. And I hope that y'all like the video. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it.
This project used wood glue, wood stain, a sander, sandpaper, gloves, and ignore the tape. I didn't use it. So the tray was just average looking. It fell apart, so that sucked, but it was perfect for what I was going to do. I used 60 grit sandpaper first on the bottom just because it was really rough and I didn't want it to tear or pull on my ottoman. Then I used my little vacuum cleaner to get any of the excess off and went on with my normal sandpaper that I've been using, which I believe is like 120. Then I just cleaned it up and moved to the next side. Now this side was laminate, so I just did a little bit of sanding to make sure that it was smooth. And then I put down some paper towels and began putting on the pre-stain. The bottom was more of a cork material, so it absorbed a lot, so I ended up using a good bit of pre-stain to make sure that it would hold the regular stain when we got to that part. And then here I'm just putting on the stain. Again, this is Jacobine. And then after this, I went ahead and put on the gloss finish. A good rule to remember is to always go back and wipe off any excess stain after the first 15 minutes or so that it doesn't dry clumpy. Since the base was laminate and I didn't sand it well, it ended up being extra glossy, but I actually like how it turned out better. Next, I placed wood glue along the edges of the inside border, and then I put the base of the tray inside and stacked textbooks on top to hold it in place while it dried. Once I looked at it all dried, I found out a little bit of glue was showing, so I covered it up with some extra stain just so that it wouldn't be obvious. And here it is, decorating my beautiful living room. Excuse my crooked filming.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. And give me that thumbs up if you liked it. And of course, leave me comments below on what you thought. And definitely tag me in Instagram, Twitter posts, anything if you go out and find something like this to do from like Goodwill or any thrift store. Alright guys, I think that is it for this video. I will definitely see you guys next week. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know exactly when my video comes out next week. And I will see you guys later. Bye!